Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Poshmark account. Changing a username on Poshmark is a straightforward process. Go ahead and open up a web browser first and then type in poshmark.com and press enter. Also make sure to log into your Poshmark account, and then after you are inside the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on account settings. Now from the edit profile page, you can go ahead and edit some of your information. To change your first name and then your last name, go ahead and enter the new name in the first name text box. Now you can also change your last name. Go ahead and do it according to your requirement, and after you are done editing your username, scroll all the way down and click on save. After you save the changes, you will be able to change your username for Poshmark. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.